What's good, YouTube? It's Teflon Poppy, aka the Ghost with the Most. And today I'm out here with my dad in his shop, welding shop in his backyard, as you can see. And today we're gonna build some acoustic panels out of some stuff that we got from Home Depot. So we got some pre-cut wood here. I think this is 39 inches. 39 inches, about 3/4, and about 3 inches wide, 3.5 inches wide. So we're gonna leave them 39 inches long, but we're gonna cut some of them into 24-inch pieces, the short wood. Then we have weed control film, just to seal in the insulation that we got right here from Home Depot. Just bought a big roll of insulation, R13, this wall drywall insulation. And then this is the material that I'm going to use to actually, you know, cover my acoustic panels with. And also what you're going to need is, sorry, I'm all over the place because we literally just got back, is some number 6 1 5/8 drywall screws and some wood glue. So we bought 3 bundles of wood, and each bundle should make about 2 panels. So, but the only reason I didn't get 8 foot long boards is because this is all they really had. So I'm just using what they had, but each bundle should make 2 panels.
Hey, how you work this thing, man?
All right, so we got all our 24-inch pieces cut, and we got it set out. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panels. And now we had to take the wood glue and set the wood so we can put the screws in. So now we're about to set the wood glue so we can actually frame the panels and put the screws in. So now my dad is taking a square and making sure that everything is lined up right so we can set the screws.
Go get him, Daddy.
So now we got 1 frame all set up, and then we're gonna take it and lay it over this so the insulation can have something to sit on. Then we're gonna cover it with the fabric I bought before.
Jerky? Girl.
So now we got the weed stuff on there, and got to put the insulation in so it can absorb the sound. And then next,
Whatever your goal, however you hustle, you can rule your day.
so now we getting the fabric laid out, and we about to staple this together and see how it looks. All right, so here's the finished product right here. 1 complete panel. All right, YouTube, so now back at the house, back in the studio, and we got the panels hung up, and this is what they look like. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. How you think it looks. Eventually I'm gonna get rid of it. Let me see it. drop a comment, leave a like. Visit my website, ThouxanbanFauni.com if you're looking for beats, and please subscribe.